Karen Denton. Getting ready for my masterclass. I'm super excited. And y'all know today I celebrate 22 years surviving 4 brain aneurysms and 2 open brain surgeries. So I'm excited. Couple more days. God willing, it'll be my 65th birthday. I'm so excited, and I thank you guys who joined the masterclass. I thank you. Y'all, it's going to be worth it for you guys to spend that day with me in the masterclass. Yep, so I got some good stuff for y'all. I'm just getting organized because anybody who knows me know I don't play when it comes to business. I don't play. So, come ready. Come ready. That's all I can say. Just come ready. If you got a bid that you're working on, that you're struggling with, bring that. Or if you question a bid that you already submitted, bring that. Let's take a look. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. And you know, I'm not going to say I be by myself on my birthday, but generally, my family and us, we go out to eat. But food's so terrible now. I don't even want to go out and eat. I'm not a foodie neither, so I don't really want to do that. I'm out here at my daughter's desk because her printer seems to be working better than mine, so I'm out here. But yeah. social medias where I could go live. I don't know if you guys are on Facebook, TikTok, I don't know, but I'm going to find somewhere that I could go live. All right, y'all, so I'll see you in the masterclass. Come with questions, come with your laptop, come with excitement and an open mind. Just be ready. I'll see you guys there.